If you have kids under the age of 18 and a business, then you have a huge opportunity to save on taxes, and that is by hiring them in your business and placing them on the payroll. Why not involve your kids in your business, show them the ropes, and teach entrepreneurship? All while saving thousands of dollars on taxes. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss the benefits of hiring your kids. As long as they're doing legitimate work for your business, you can hire your child tax-free and pay each of them up to $12,000 per year tax-free. And all of this while they earn a little money, while saving for college or their first business, and it's all tax-free. So you may want to hire your children to work in your business, and you want to do it for good reason, to teach them about entrepreneurship, develop a strong work ethic, and for the tax-free income, up to $12,000 per child. You get to lower your personal income by $12,000, simply by engaging your children in the family business. If you stay under this limit, they don't even have to file a tax return, which means they don't pay any income tax on it, and you get to deduct their wages, which lowers your business taxable income. The IRS actually rewards you for it. Here is how it works. Each of your children can be employed by your business and paid an annual wage of $12,000. This is an important amount because it is the standard deduction amount for single individuals. Your business also gets to take a deduction for the payment, thus decreasing your taxable income. Your children will then file their own tax return, and since they only made $12,000, they pay no federal income tax because of the standard deduction of $12,000, their taxable income is zero. So the business gets to take a deduction, but the kids pay no federal income tax. This strategy can also be combined with IRA and 401k strategies to really maximize the benefit. For instance, if you paid each child $12,000 each as salary, you could put $6,000 into an IRA that is deductible, and you can use their standard deduction to take their taxable income to zero. In that case, your business can deduct $18,000 per child, but again, no taxable income. If you want to save money, then hire your kids and make sure you have them actually work. Keep track of the hours and tasks your children need to perform and make sure it's age appropriate. The IRS isn't going to believe that your 2-year-old earned $12,000 flipping burgers or being a cashier. You do not have to pay payroll taxes for employing your kids if your business is a sole proprietorship, a single-member LLC taxed as a disregarded entity, or an LLC taxed as a partnership and owned solely by you and your spouse. Using this strategy, rather just dumping your money into paying taxes, you've moved those taxable dollars from your tax rate to your child's tax rate and bracket, which is zero, and you still keep the money in the family. There are countless jobs kids can do for you, and remember, you can pay them at the same rate you would pay any other employee or outsourced company. Cleaning the office, washing company cars, updating customer lists on the computer, transcribing video or audio, trips to the post office or general errands. There are different types of rules for different types of businesses. If your business is a corporation, the IRS rules are clear. You must pay payroll taxes income given to your children. Well, turns out, there is a way to work around that. If your business is set up as an S or AC corporation, or as a partnership with other non-parent partners, the IRS says you have to withhold payroll taxes when employing your kids. Instead of paying them directly from your S Corp, you pay them out of a family management company. You can create this simple family management company as a sole proprietorship separate from your S Corp, and owned by yourself or your spouse. A family management company is a sole proprietorship you create to run in parallel to your business with the sole purpose of paying your children for their services. Its only purpose is to support the operations of your corporation, which can include the scheduling and monitoring of jobs done by your children, and all the bookkeeping and documentation necessary to keep the jobs within IRS standards. The family management company charges the corporation a management fee for these services and can then pay your child, which removes them from your corporate payroll. And since the family management company is a sole proprietorship owned by a parent, you, or your spouse, it falls under the IRS exemption where payroll taxes don't have to be withheld. By following this workaround, you've found a way to truly pay your kids $12,000 per year, tax-free, by using nothing but the rules of the IRS. Helping people provide a solid foundation for a more secure financial future. One video at a time. We appreciate you tuning in and hope to see you again soon. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to click on one of our other videos. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell icon on your way out. See you all next time on Top 5 Hive.